natin, zoom natin. Ay, ang daming tao.
Ladies and gentlemen, and with all the honorables here in Laguna, magandang gabi din po sa aming former Vice Mayor, Marianita Ditoy Perez, kay
Dami na
Kuya
daan.
Sandy Cuyena, and sa lahat po ng Hawkins na natirito. Unang-una po ay pagpapasalamat kay Lord sa ibinigay na blessing po ng buhay para sa ating lahat. Pagpapasalamat din po sa Mrs. Philippines International, sa pangunguna po ng mag-asawang Maan and Roland Alice. For without them, siguro po wala po ang kaya the Laguna Excellence Award. So, bigyan po natin sila ng mas gawang malakakan. Isang karamalan po na makatanggap po ng isang award as Women of Excellence. Sinabi po natin excellence, ito po ay katangi-tangi at kapilipili. Kaya ako po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa bumubuo po ng Gaya. Mabuhay po kayo at ipagpatuloy po natin ang ating advokasya, na humanitarian services na makatulong po sa lahat ng mga nangailangan sa ako po ng kailan. Muli po, isa po makapalang gabi sa inyo na.
The lead, Mrs. Philippines International, Woman of Excellence in Pageantry, Mary Antoinette Celeste Marque.
My fellow queens, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I want to thank Laguna Excellence Award. I knew when I was crowned elite Mrs. Cebu Philippines and elite Mrs. Philippines International that I have a greater purpose. I believe and I knew that a crown on my head does not solely represent me, but I represented the women of my age. With that, I am very grateful that I was recognized for what the purpose that I lead and defend.
Nakakahilo pag sinusum, guys.
I was able
Mamaya na lang
glorify
pag si Buso
my
na.
God. I will continue to be an instrument to elevate women of what they deserve. Thank you.
Mrs. Planet Philippines International, Woman of Excellence in Pageantry, Russell Ann Marie Chua.
Again, good evening to all honorable guests and my fellow award participants. First of all, I'd like to thank the organizers and of course the Lord for this very wonderful opportunity. Of course, I didn't expect that there would be a speech, but since we are pageant winners, we were expected to be always ready to speak in front of the group. But yes, I never expected that I would be a crown since I am only a simple mother, a simple housewife, and yeah, a simple mother of 5 children. But aside from unexpectedly winning a crown, this award tonight makes it more